Hi everyone, welcome back. I just finished my short reunion with Flo and now I'm back in China and I'm ready for a new adventure. So today I want to share my new China traveling plan with you. That is to travel from Yunnan to Tibet with my scooter. I have been to Tibet last year and you may wonder why again? And my answers are two. Firstly, it's not the same. And secondly, it's going to be the most scenic region in China at a very good timing. And let me explain in detail. Last year, when I finished filming in Yunnan, and after that, I flew from Dali to Lhasa, and there I met my friend Let's Go Bro. We traveled together from Lhasa onwards, all the way to Xinjiang, but one part is missing. So that is from Dali to Lhasa. And therefore this time I want to make up for this missing part. As I said before, this is the most scenic region of China because to ride from Dali to Lhasa means to go from Yunnan Plateau to Tibetan Plateau, the rooftop of the world, to climb from 2,000 meters to over 5,000 meters. And you're going to climb over many big mountains and you will see countless snow-capped mountains, Grand Canyons, rivers, and also lots of highland lakes. Culturally, this part is also incredibly diverse. Here in this area, Han population becomes the minority, and it is home to China's ethnic groups of, for example, Baizu, Bai people, Naxizu, Lisuzu, and the Tibetans, etc. There are many two national highways that connects Yunnan and Tibet. One is National Highway G219. It's more in the south. It goes from Baoshan to Xiachayu region in southern Tibet. It's also extremely popular among adventurous travelers because the road condition was so bad, many accidents could happen. But you will also see the most untouched landscape. And the other national highway is more in the north, is National Highway G214. And it goes from Dali to Lijiang, Shangri-La, Deqing, and then further to Tibet. Eventually, I decided to take National Highway G214 because it's going to be easier for my scooter. On National Highway G219, I heard there are over 200 kilometers of very crappy road, of dirt road, gravel road, and it's very difficult for my scooter. Some places are also quite remote, so if anything breaks down, it's also not easy for me to get help. And to prepare for the coming trips, I also did a little bit of upgrade. So firstly, I applied waterproof film to my windshield for raining weather. I also applied this waterproof film on my mirrors. I bought something very cheap on Taobao. I think in total it cost 20 yuan. It's not so perfect. I did it myself. And then I also changed the tire. And the new tire cost about 500 yuan, so it can drive more stably during raining weather. I also bought a very cheap UV protection film for my helmet so that I don't get too tanned while driving in Tibet. Moreover, now it's a very good timing. From April to May, it's a spring weather, so the raining weather hasn't started yet. It's relatively easier to ride, and also the temperature is going up. Everything slowly turns green. The snows will be melting. In the end, it's also a rough idea, so I might go on and off G214. It depends on the weather, on other factors. But now I'm super excited and I want to keep you updated so that you can have a rough idea of where I am going. And if you are interested in this area, stay tuned. Bye bye.